what's up guys? I'm in the middle of installing a CTS turbo inlet. So this is what I got from CTS Turbo. So I just removed the factory one, and if you can see, this is much larger. Hopefully this will give me more horsepower. We will find out. So this is the comparison. It's a very well machined part. Okay, let's install it. It's not going in. Seems very tight. Seems very tight right here on the lip. I'm gonna have to check the circumference of that. Looks the same. I know you're supposed to insert it down first into that little piece right there, and then you twist. It's tight. I'm gonna have to measure this. I'll be right back. So this is what I had to do. So I haven't test fitted yet, but I had to cut out this notch right here. So in reference, it's gonna be this one right here that I cut out. Just so that you guys know that I know how to put this in. I'm gonna put this in, okay? Boom, goes right in and twist down. I know you have to put this into the slot first. This part into the slot, push it in, twist down. That's what I was trying to do. That's what I was trying to do with this piece. However, when I put it into the slot, it's hitting right here. It's either this piece is not going in flush, But metal to metal, it's not as forgiving as plastic. So that's why I didn't want to force it in. You only can force it in so much. So I'm gonna try it now. Now with this piece cut off, I don't have to go into an angle. Hopefully I can just go into it square, head on. Let's see what happens. Nope, not working. I think what's happening is this piece right here, this piece is too thick. It's not going into the slot. Oh yes, looks like that's the problem. You see right here? Look how thin this is. And look how thick this is. So this piece is not going in flush. That's not good. Hope you guys can see that. So I should not even cut this. I should have just thinned this part right here. You see this piece right here? It's thin and it gets thick. This is thick all the way through. Not good, CTS. Yep, that's the problem. It's too thick right here. It's too thick. I'm gonna have to thin it out. Okay, so I just did some dremeling. So I haven't tested yet, but this is what I did. I had to thin this part right here. Thin it to match the factory one. This is a little bit thick, but hopefully it's enough to get it in. We'll try it right now. It's in, but the gasket, it looks big. What the heck is going on with this product? My God. Let me show you what's happening now. Okay. So I'm able to slip in now. I'm able to slip this in now on the bottom. Okay. What's happening now, I don't know if you can see the right here. Look at the gasket, okay? Let me get that focused. Sorry guys, I'm using my iPhone. It won't focus right. So see the gasket? It's not going in. It's big. The gasket is also big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off my OEM gasket from the other one and see if that works. Fix this. Oh gosh, it's so hard. Okay, I'm gonna take out the OEM gasket. Okay. So this OEM. mean, you can already tell it's loose. Look how loose that thing is. Not even tight. Look how easy it came off. This O-ring is it seems big. I can tell already. Oh, looks the same. Oh, looks a little big to me actually. When I get it right there, it's taller. But let me go ahead and put the OEM one. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. Let me fix the camera angle. Okay, let's try it again. Boom. Slips right in. Slips right in, guys. So even the O-ring that was used is big. This one slips right in. It's tight. It's nice and tight. You can see it right there. Boom. Just slips right in. And then you can twist it down. Okay, I just need to screw it down and then we'll finish the installation. There's a little wobble right now because I don't have the screw in, but it seems like it's gonna work out. But CTS, come on guys. The O-ring, and then I had to shave the edge of the inlet. Come on guys, you guys should have done that already. I hope it's just mine and not everyone that you guys do. But if this works out, it works out. You know, I didn't want to reach out to them and have to complain and all that. I'd rather just try to figure it out myself, because it does take time to have to send something and explain yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. Feels solid. That's good. Go ahead and clamp this one down so it doesn't move. Well, I think I got it. With a little bit of work, you can do it. But CTS, please follow up on your inlet turbo, okay? Because that's a lot of work too. Took me a good 15 minutes just to shave that off, and granted, I had the tools to do it, but you guys need to shave that off on your CTS turbo inlet. Alright guys, until the next one. Thanks, bye. I'll go ahead and start it. Alright guys, sounds good. Thanks for watching. Bye.